Best multi-tool screwdriver set or mini repair kit. Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. Today in this video I'm going to take a quick look at this multi-tool, which is a 32 in 1. And it's very difficult to find all the screwdrivers or tools you need to work on your tiny things, for example watches or glasses or phones or cameras. So I had one screwdriver and or another one here and there, and it was very difficult to find them whenever you need it. But that's when I got actually kind of mad and wanted to find a solution and find everything all in one. And I looked at a few of them, but this is the smallest I can find, and you can see that it has 32 in 1. And just take a quick look here. So it has all these screwdriver sets, and so now I don't have to look for multiple screwdrivers to work with different things, for example watch or phone or camera or glasses or anything you can possibly think of. So let's open up and take a quick look. So this is okay, so that's it in the box. Let's put it aside here. Now you can see that they gave kind of a kit, and it says here opener. So this is when you are opening a tray, for example your laptop or your tablet, and you have to kind of remove the tray or the cover. So this is what you can use this instead of using something metal, and this is very handy, and I'm glad that they attached it. This is not a paid or affiliated review. All my reviews are non-affiliated, unbiased and honest. And they gave a nice case, so you can just put this in here once you finish working. Now this is all you have. You can see that this looks like a pen. This is not even very it has very low profile, so that's something actually I was looking for. You can buy similar kind of a tool set, but they're big and multiple screwdrivers, but this is all in one. So let's take a look and see how it works. So okay, so it looks like the whole thing comes out, and here you can see that all these screwdriver sets or headsets you're going to have to insert in here. So let me just see how it works. So for example, I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's say if we pick this up, and I think you have to slide it in here. That's what I'm guessing. Let's see. Okay, so it is also magnetic, so in that way you're not going to lose anything. Okay, so I think I made a mistake. It shouldn't be working that way. So you have to actually put it in here like this way. It's not it's going inside, and then if you just kind of tighten it, then this is how you're going to open your stuff. And if you need to change this, then you have to just repeat the process. For example, you have to just remove it from here, and you can put it back in here, and then just take another one and put it in here. It has a very kind of housing to hold this, and then you can just use this one. Now this is magnetic, so if you lose tiny things inside your laptop or phone or anywhere, it can just pick it up. So that's something is going to work. I don't think it's going to work on my watch case or watch band, but it should work on the tiny thing. So that's the whole thing. I cannot believe there are so many tools all in one, and I don't have to look for anything anymore, and I can change my watch battery, fix my glasses, open my laptop, open my tablet, and open anything you can possibly think of. So let me put this back here just like this. Then this is again ready to go. So the name of this brand is JOREST. JOREST. Not sure. Sorry about the not sure about the pronunciation, but this is 32 in 1 multi kit or tool set, and this is all magnetic, and it runs somewhere between around $15 or $12 to $15 on Amazon, Canadian $15 or lesser. And I'm happy with the product, and my main reason to buy this is just one piece. I don't have to buy too many of these. So definitely this is going to come in handy. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.